Ever wanted to earn extra money from the comfort of your own home? Sure, there are countless ways to achieve this. But for this video, I'll demonstrate to you an effective method that lets you generate passive income by simply answering questions online. As I'm going to reveal to you throughout the rest of the video, this website can help you earn up to a whopping $40 every time you answer a question correctly. And stay tuned to the end because I'll be revealing a magic trick within the website that lets you boost your earnings by 75%. Sounds genius to you? Then get your pen and paper ready because this is important information you won't want to miss. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. The website that I'm going to talk about today is StudyPool. I know a few of you may have heard about this once, but for most of you who have no idea what it is, StudyPool is an online marketplace that connects students with tutors for help with homework, studying, exams or tests, quizzes, and other academic needs. StudyPool takes an excitingly unique spin to online learning, as it allows individuals to ask questions, upload study notes, and receive help from experts in a variety of subjects. With a wide range of categories and specializations to choose from science and mathematics to humanities, art and design to even marketing and business management, StudyPool makes it possible for students everywhere to learn more and ace well in their schoolworks, and tutors to earn more and work flexibly while sharing the information and skills they passionately know. To give you an idea, it's here that you get paid to simply answer a set of questions submitted by students. Not only that, but you can earn a significant chunk of money and more, and in an instant if you get the answers right. One feature that sets StudyPool ahead of other online tutoring services is what's called Q&A tutoring. Here, students can simply pose their questions and specify the subject area, and then wait for tutors to respond and offer their help. Tutors, on the other hand, get to choose and answer one from an expansive list of questions submitted by the students. This can depend on the subject matter they're confident in responding to. With StudyPool's Q&A tutoring, you can earn as low as $3 for simple questions and as high as $40 for longer, more complicated ones. And all of these can be achieved if the student who submitted the question sees that you get the perfect answer. The more questions you respond to and the more you get them right, the more money you can earn. StudyPool allows you to earn money from practically anywhere at home, at school, or even when you're on vacation. It's highly flexible and can be done on your schedule. Whether you have a full-time job or are a student yourself, you can choose when you want to log in and start answering questions. And you can use your knowledge to make money, regardless of where you live. Whether you're from the Philippines or South Africa or even Canada, it's possible to earn up to $7,500 every month without doing any physically demanding work. On the StudyPool homepage, click Become a Tutor at the top part, and from there you'll find everything you'll need to know. From why you should be tutoring on this platform to how much you could earn if you keep it up consistently. The next thing you'll need to do is to click Apply Now and fill in your basic and additional details in this application form. Now, you may be asking at this point, how exactly is it possible for someone with not enough skills to become a tutor? What should less gifted folks like me do with this position if I don't have the knowledge nor confidence to tutor on anything? Well, let me introduce to you a surprise secret website that you should check out should you run out of ideas. CK12.org provides free, customizable, and open-source educational resources in the form of textbooks, practice problems, and interactive simulations for use in classrooms and homes, and to an extent, online learning marketplaces such as StudyPool. CK12 can be a great reference point for whenever you're not that well-versed in subjects such as math, science, and history. In fact, just like StudyPool, it includes a rich library of topics and subcategories to explore. A great thing about CK12 is that you don't need to pay upfront to access all of its material, nor worry about going through any copyright limbo. That's because each textbook is designed to be used free of charge for any purpose, whether you want to print it or distribute it online. It's generally acceptable to reference some of its material for tutoring. However, you can only do it appropriately. The Sell Documents feature allows you to earn 10 times your income by selling homework and study documents. As you can see from the website Sell Docs page, you can earn up to an additional $5,000 every month and get up to $10 every time someone views your notes. Yes, you heard it right. You could get paid $10 practically every few minutes, as long as your document looks good, of course. With this magical function, you can achieve your goal of earning extra cash much faster than you would with only Q&A tutoring. And all it takes is an existing document. Any old document of your study or homework notes will do, that you may already have since high school or college. It can be based on any topic and written in any language, English or not. But if you don't have a few old files in your possession, well, have no fear, because just as I said, you can rely on existing resources like CK12 to build a bunch of high-quality documents your students will need and thank you for later. With your StudyPool account logged in, go to the website Sell Docs page, then select this button to start selling documents. Now go back to CK12 and find, then copy any topic that you're passionate about. After you selected your chosen topic, go to any word editor program that you prefer to use, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Paste the one you just copied from CK12, then modify a few parts if you need to make it look more presentable. Don't forget to put the attributions in place just to be safe. As soon as you're happy with what it looks like so far, you can export your document as a PDF file and upload it to StudyPool. From here onwards, you'll need to wait at least 12 hours for your submission to be approved. This is important because if your document doesn't get approved, you may not be able to enjoy up to $10 on autopilot. If it does, you can kick back and watch as your earnings grow right before your very eyes. Making money by selling documents is one thing. Generating extra cash by correctly answering questions is another. But if we combine both at the same time, that would make for a high-paying opportunity that's set to bring you all the good things for months and even years to come. So if you have a knack for helping others with their academic needs and are looking for more than one way to make some extra cash, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like as well if you found it informative in any way. So make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.